5 minus 2 square times 2 square minus 5. Our goal is to find the value of this expression. Are you ready to solve? Let's go and get started. In mathematics, we can't just go left to right or prioritize the operations however we like. We need to follow the order of operations. According to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right, and the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here, first we have to do this parentheses. Inside this parentheses, we have this exponent and this subtraction. In PEMDAS, exponent comes before subtraction. So first we have to do this 2 to the power of 2, which gives us 4. So 5 minus 2 square times 4 minus 5. Now 4 minus 5 is just minus 1. Okay, so we have 5 minus 2 square times minus 1. We need to pay attention that in mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication. And we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. So here we have a multiplication. Okay, so 5 minus 2 square times minus 1. Now we have to do this exponent. 2 square gives us 4. So 5 minus 4 times negative 1. Now we have one subtraction and one multiplication. In PEMDAS, multiplication comes before subtraction. So in this step, we have to do this multiplication. Minus 4 times minus 1, which equals positive 4. And 5 plus 4 gives us 9. And this is our final answer to this problem.